Both the euro versus US dollar and the pound versus US dollar are trading higher for a lower US dollar. And trading here today, the dollar versus yen is also higher, implying a higher US dollar. So there's a little bit of a mixed action in the three major currency pairs to start the new trading day. I'm going to go through the technicals that are driving these currency pairs in this video. So let's get started. Looking at the 4-hour chart of the euro versus US dollar and trading yesterday, we moved above this swing area right through here. The swing area goes back to this period right here. This is modest, but we had a floor and then broke through the floor, used that level as a ceiling. We tried to use the level as ceiling on the rebound right through here, then traded above and below it and tried to hold support here before moving up and finding resistance against the 100 bar moving average up here before moving to the downside. And that was it for the euro versus US dollar. We returned to that area in trading last week with the price extending above this level right through here, but failed. And in trading yesterday, what did we do? We came up to that level and found resistant sellers. So the sellers are trying to keep a lid on the pair. The price rotated back to the downside and traded below the 61.8% retracement of this move to the downside, but could not sustain the move below that level. So the buyers had their shot above this level. The sellers had their shot below this level. Both of them failed, and then we started to hold support. And trading here today, we moved back higher, and this time we broke above that level near the 1.08725 level, that old level right through here, and we rotated up to the next swing area up through here. I'll take a look at all these arrows so you can see the importance of this level and the definition, or what defined this level right through here. These swing lows and swing highs all came through here, finding either support or resistance against the level. We came back up to the level right through here, failed above it. This is where we went up to the 100 bar moving average and rotated to the downside. So this level was also broken, and as you can see, it too is trying to fail. We need to get above this level at 1.0899 to 1.09126 and stay above that level to open the door for further upside to the next swing level up here through here near the 109.50-ish type level. So be aware of this level right here and right down here near the 1.0872 level. Those are the close levels to extend above or stay above if the buyers are to remain in control. If we do break back below this 108.725 level, then I would expect more selling on the the failure here last week and the failure here this week of that swing area, and then we look down toward the 61.8% retracement. Let's take a look at the dollar versus yen next, and this currency pair continues its move to the downside. This is a 4-hour chart, and trading last week we came up to the 100 bar moving average right here earlier in the week and found resistant sellers, and it's been fairly steady. We did have a retracement up here and rotation to the downside right through here, but the bias is to the downside. And trading here at the end of last week, we fell below this swing area. It's a modest swing area, but it's defined by swing highs right through here, correction, break above with momentum here, come back down to what was once resistance and now it becomes support and move to the upside. And trading last week, we came down to that level. By the end of the week, we were breaking below it level, but then rebounded into the close on Friday. And trading yesterday, the price did find resistant sellers against this level, this low from last week, and rotated back to the downside. So the bears remain in control. We did break back below this swing area between the 147.21 and 147.33 level in trading yesterday, but as you can see, we've rotated back to the upside. We're back above this level right now, and that's going to be our close support level. Other traders might look to use other traders thinking for a rebound in this currency pair might look toward the 61.8% retracement. We tried twice to get below that level here and here in trading this week. Each of the time the price failed. If the if this 147.33 level does not hold support, or 21 to 33 level does not hold support, some traders might look toward the 146.94 level as another, the last chance of support for the dollar versus yen. You gotta keep the sellers in play. Why? Because we've been moving to the downside in this pair for a long while. Let's take a look at the hourly chart, see if there's any clues off of it. If we go to the hourly chart, we take a look at the 100-hour moving average on the top side and trading here today. If this buyer is going to continue to push to the upside away from this swing area, this is it. Well, I guess it's 20 to 33. If we're going to push to the upside, we need to get above the 100-hour moving average and stay above that level we tried last week right here and failed. Then use both those moving averages, so 100 and 200 as resistance. So get above the 100-hour moving average is needed to push this price to the upside. Finally, let's take a look at this sterling versus US dollar We'll look at the 4-hour chart, like the euro versus US dollar. We made some extensions to the upside in trading, and but had this sort of random high up here near the 129.46 level. 1, 2, 3 separate highs off of the 4-hour chart, rotated back to the downside. It seemed like the price was going to go down and test this swing area down here between 128.30 and 128.42, 43. But could not get there, and trading here today rotated back to the upside, looking to get back above or to move above the 129.458 level. If it gets above that level and stays above that level, it opens the door for further upside momentum with this swing area up through here as the next key target between 1.3044 and 1.3058. Of course, the 130 level somewhere around here is also going to be a key target to get to and through. So be aware of that. Nice natural round resistance level at 1.300, and then we look forward to 44 to 58 level. If we do hold this random 129.46 level, then a rotation back down toward this swing area right through here might be the path of least resistance after the first attempt failed. So watch that, and also I'll watch a 38.2% retracement of this move to the upside that comes in at 129.98, right around the 127.978 level, right around that 128 level. Right near that level was a 200-day moving average. That's this green line in the chart right here. So there you have it. A look at 3 of the major currency pairs to kickstart your trading day. My name is Greg Mikulowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye bye now.